Your Mistplay points balance doesn't always update immediately after you finish playing. Gameplay, completed milestones, and rewards need to sync with your account before the latest balance appears. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check whether your balance is actually incorrect, how to refresh your account, and when it's time to contact Mistplay support. Start by opening your reward history inside Mistplay, instead of looking only at the total points balance. Your reward history shows when points were added or deducted, making it much easier to see whether your account is missing rewards or simply waiting for a balance update. Next, compare your recent gameplay with the rewards you've received. Some games only award points after you reach specific milestones or complete tracked sessions. If you stop before meeting the requirement, your balance won't increase yet, even though you've spent time playing. Open the game's reward details in Mistplay, and confirm which activities are eligible for points. If everything should have been credited already, close Mistplay completely, and reopen it. Give the app a moment to synchronize with the server after it loads. If you were viewing cached account information, the refreshed balance may now display correctly. You should also make sure your internet connection is stable while the app synchronizes. If gameplay data can't be uploaded properly, rewards may not appear until the connection is restored and the account finishes syncing. If your points balance is still incorrect, collect evidence before contacting support. Take screenshots of your current balance, your reward history, and the relevant game progress. Include your Mistplay account email, the game name, and a clear explanation of which rewards you believe are missing. A detailed support request is much easier for the team to investigate than a short message saying your points are wrong. Avoid reinstalling Mistplay just because your balance looks incorrect. Your account information is stored on Mistplay's servers, and reinstalling the app usually won't fix missing rewards or synchronization issues. Creating multiple support tickets for the same problem can also slow down the review process, so keep all follow-up replies in the same conversation. Here's the quick recap. Check your reward history before assuming points are missing. Confirm you've completed the required milestones. Refresh the app so it can sync your account. And contact Mistplay support with screenshots if the balance still doesn't match your earned rewards. If this guide helped, subscribe for more simple Mistplay fixes and step-by-step troubleshooting tutorials.